afternoon, children. Today we will discuss the topic, a new topic, addition. As you counting very well, I know everybody is counting very well. You know how to count the object. So we will do addition with the counting of object only. With the pictures, we will do addition with the help of picture. This is the new topic for you. Okay. I have completed all the topics before number is going on. Okay. So children, first of all, we will learn what is addition. What is addition? Addition means plus. This is the sign of plus. Addition means plus. And this is the sign of plus. This is the sign of plus. Wherever this sign you will find, you have to total the numbers. Means something we have and more somebody has given, the total number of thing which we have, that is called as addition. Now you will not understand this on all the things. You just count the pictures and you have to add both the pictures and total number of pictures, how many are there, that is called as addition. Okay. This is the plus sign. Okay. So today we will start a new topic, addition. Suppose I have, this is how many tree? 1. This is how many tree? 1 tree. And I add 1 more tree. Now how many tree we have? How many tree both? Suppose this is 1 tree and I have add 1 more. So it become how many? 1, 2. This 2 is the answer and 2 is the addition. Again you see, here it is how many tree? It is 1 tree. And I put here 1 more tree. So total number of tree, how many are there? 1, 2. So children, this is the answer. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is addition. Okay. You understand with the pictures. Now I will show you some addition like this. Suppose this tree have 2 mangoes grown, and after some time one more mango grows. So total number of mango will be how many? 1, 2, 3. First of all, 2 mangoes are there. 2 mangoes are there or not? 1, 2. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2. After some time, 1 more mango grow in this tree. In this tree, 1 more mango grows. So total number of mangoes are 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Total number of mango is 1, 2, 3. The whole total, how many we have, or total number of thing, whatever, it is called as addition. Now you suppose only 1 mango grow. After some time, 1 more mango will grow, has grown. How many mangoes are there now? 1, 2. 1, 2. First, 1 mango was there. Only one mango is there. After some time, 1 more mango grows on this tree. 1 more mangoes grow. 1, 2. So how many total mangoes are there? 1, 2. 1 plus 1 become 2. 1 plus 1 become how many? 2. How many mangoes? 2 mangoes. 1 plus 1 become 2. Okay, children? This is very much important. So we will understand addition with some pictures. Suppose okay. Suppose this is how many flowers are there. You have to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3. Plus. How will read? Plus. Again this one. 1, 2. Here it is 1, 2, 3. And here it is 1, 2. Now the total number of flower, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. You have to just count 1, 2, 3 and write the number here. You will have to just count and write the number 3. Here it is 2. You just write the number 2 equals to total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. This is the fact that counting the numbers, you know how to count the pictures very well. All of you have done. So you have to count this pictures. How many are there? You have to write a number. Again you have to count and write the number. And total number of flowers, again you have to count and write. This is called addition. This is how we'll read. 3 plus 2 will be 5. One more you see. Everybody like ice cream? I know everybody likes ice cream. So we have to first count how many ice cream is here. How many ice cream is here? And total how many ice cream is here? You have to just count the pictures and write the number here. You have to just count the pictures. 1. We will count pictures. How many are there? Ice cream? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. What we will write? 4 plus, here it will be 1, 2. Okay. Whatever the pictures is given, you just write the number here. And total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You have to just count the picture and write the number here. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. Okay. Let's see again. Suppose this is 1 tree. This is 1 tree. I have added one more tree. How many trees? It becomes 2. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now in this tree, mangoes grow. This first one mango only grow. Then one more. So how many total mangoes grown in this tree? 1, 2. Okay. After that, suppose 2 mangoes grows. And afterwards, one more mango grows. So how many mangoes total grow now? 2 are already there. 2 plus, now it becomes 3. 1, 2, 3. How many? 2 plus 1. It becomes 3. 1, 2, 3. Total number of mangoes, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Suppose only one mango grown. After that, only one mango is there. After that 3 more grown. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 3 become how many? First only 1. After that 3. So total count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. So this is addition. Okay children, every day I will show you how to do the addition. You just count the pieces and write the numbers. Okay, this is the fact. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.